Good morning Year 10 and welcome to the final assembly. This week's all about our celebration assembly, as we've been saying each week, and I'm joined in my garden today by Miss Atkin. We're back together, it's great. And we are here today, we're going to celebrate all the great things that you've been doing outside of school, in school. Teachers have been letting us know each week what's been going off and how great you've all been doing, and I must say on behalf of both of us right now, we are massively proud of everything that you've been doing this year, and we're so impressed with you all and how you've conducted yourself, particularly when you've been going in school and coping with all these changes in this crazy time. So we're going to start off with reading out some announcements from staff. I'm going to start with one from Mrs Headley, and she'd like to mention that there's been some absolute superstars, in particular Charlotte H, Isabel M, Lily G and Liam Bryans, so well done to you.
Alright, over to science then from Miss Capel. She wants to nominate from 10E2, Lucy G and Isabel M. Both been consistently working hard during lockdown, and Isabel's been putting some great effort into completing her assignments, and a couple of other names from her as well, which was Caitlin R and Harvey S, also did some great work during the lockdown, so well done guys.
Well done, and a well done now from Miss Waywall, has said well done and keep going, and well done for all the hard work that you've submitted. Special shout outs to Emily G, Jake L, James H, Isabel M and James L, who have all been submitting work regularly since schools closed. Well done guys.
Over to Mr Robinson, and he would like to nominate the following students in Year 10, which is Alicia Lee D and Harry W. And then for masterclasses on a Wednesday, his top three are Thomas M, Maddie H and Beth T. Well done guys.
Next up is from Miss Milner, and she would like to nominate Jack S and Harris S for their continuous hard work in science since lockdown began. Well done to both of you.
And over to computer science and Mr Sutcliffe. Robert J and Kelly N have done really well during lockdown. Both have completed the majority of the work set and to a good standard, so well done guys.
Moving on to the geography team now, would like to say a massive well done to Caitlin R, Leah R, Ben J, Cullen L, Dempsey B, Ellie E, Ben H and Luke H. Massive well done, keep that up.
One last one from English as well, from Mrs Haig. Continued amazing work throughout the whole of lockdown. Lucy G, Kelly N, Evie B and Sophie B. And then some excellent work completed during lockdown from Beth T, JC S, Isabel G, Maddie H, Richard O, Ellie M and Kira F. Well done guys.
Massive well done to all students, and to the ones that maybe haven't been mentioned there as well, but I know you've been working at home or maybe helping out in the community and doing some great things. Massive well done from all of us at Netherwood. And now to the Prefect team announcements. As you know, over the past few weeks we've been doing the interviews. We went through an application process which then led us to the interviews, and I'm pleased to announce today with Miss Atkin the team that's going to be the Year 11 Prefect team for the next academic year. We're going to announce those now. Hopefully that's another train going by. We've filmed this about 3 times due to the train. So let's start. Head girl.
Head girl. Very difficult decision. We had some amazing applications for head girl. We discussed this and put the name of Lucy G forward to the principals, and this has been agreed, so well done Lucy.
Well done Lucy, yes. And now we're going to move on to the head boy. Also a difficult decision. We could have had many of you in this role, but the one that just stood out a bit more within the interview was Jake L. Massive well done. Now I'm going to announce the senior prefect team as well, so that is Ellie M, Lily P, Finley S, Molly I, James L, Daniel S, Ripley DW, Cullen L and Andre T. Well done.
Excellent. And last by no means least is the prefect team. So Josh M, Main P, Madison S, Josh H and Caden M, and we also have joining the team in October Chloe B, so well done guys.
Massive well done. Normally we would do this in assembly and we will be presenting with your badges and ties. We are going to do some sort of celebration when we do get back into school in September, be that if we can do an assembly we will, if not we will do some sort of celebration event. So a massive well done to those, and they will be representing the year group next year. Well done. We're going to move on now.
Are we moving on?
Yes.
Right.
We're going to move on now to some messages from some familiar faces in school who just want to say how proud they are of you all and what you've achieved this year, and to just keep going and keep being resilient. Here they are.
I just want to say a massive thank you to 10HW2 for all the history work that you've been sending me over the lockdown period. It's given me a fantastic excuse not to have to paint and decorate any more rooms in my house. No, I'm only joking. The work's been fantastic, and it's great to see that you all still remember what history is and that you can still do it. Also, a big massive thank you to any Year 10 that I've taught in school. You're absolutely brilliant. Your hard work, you're a credit to the school. Keep it up. Have a great summer, and I'll see you when we get back.
Hello Year 10. I just wanted to say how much I've missed you all in 10E5. I want to say a big well done to the following people for sending work in throughout this time. So well done to Chloe, Nathan, Jake, Jade, Megan, Natalie, Tegan and Josh for keeping in touch with me. I hope you all have a lovely summer and I can't wait to see you all in September. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, Miss Cooper here. Just wanted to pop in to say how proud I am of not only my Class 10 West 1, but the whole of Year 10, how brilliant you've been this lockdown. It's been absolutely lovely to wake up every day, open up my inbox and see so many amazing pieces of work, lovely emails checking in. It's just kept me going through it all. So just to say, hold on, we're nearly there. Roll on September where we get to see you all again and I cannot wait, okay? Lots and lots of love. Mwah.
Hi Year 10, just want to say from me, from All in Food, well done for surviving really these unprecedented times. Well done to the people who've taken part in our food live lessons and learning. Can I please just remind any of the Year 10 classes that there's a booklet in reception at Netherwood. Tomorrow they'll still be there. It's got lots of help sheets in that you need to be looking at to practice a part of your controlled assessment over the holidays, and a massive bank of fab recipes in the back that I'd really love you to be making. If you can't, if you get stuck, email us, I'll do a video, I'll help you through it, we can do it together. But really important that we don't get even further behind. So well done. If you have struggled and you've found it a challenge, so have we all. You know, I'm an oldie, and it's something that I've never had to deal with before. So don't worry about it. We'll help each other. Be kind. Look after everybody at home. Keep cooking, and really can't wait to see you in September. Bye.
Hi, Year 10. Mrs Headley here. I'm sure you've missed seeing my face. I've put some makeup on today, so that is a result. I haven't managed to wash my hair, so a bit of dry shampoo and put it up. Girls, I hope it's done the trick. All right. So what can I say? Strange times for us all, but thank you for sending in some lovely work. I have enjoyed reading it immensely, and I can see that you are so ready to go to Year 11. All right, so I'm not worried, so neither should you be. Okay. Can I just mention top people because week in, week out they've sent work, and thank you so much. So that's in no order. That's Lily, Isabel, Charlotte and Liam. Thank you so much for your work. It's been beautiful. Can I also say, I know that some of you had technical difficulties, and I don't hold it against you, so don't worry about that, everybody. Can I also say a huge thank you to Jaden? I know she's had problems getting orders, printing stuff out, darling, and emails haven't worked. So Jaden, shout out to Jack, sent some lovely work. Go on, Jack, I've got him written down on a piece of paper. Carly has sent a beautiful piece of creative writing. Destiny and Jade I heard from. All right. That's it really. The other ones who I haven't heard from, well, I presume you're all alive and well. I've not heard anything. So I'm not too worried about you. I know some of you have been going into school and accessing the lessons, so well done. And some of you hopefully have done the live lesson in English. All right. Don't be frightened, because everybody in the country is in the same boat as you. I'm not frightened, I'm not worried at all, and we'll just get cracking straight away when we get back. All right, my lovelies, so you take care. Huge Headley hug, hope you're feeling the love. And I look forward to seeing you in September. Be slightly different possibly, but we'll accept anything. All right, you have a lovely summer, behave yourself, all right? Hopefully Tyler will be able to go to you'll be able to go to see Barnsley play live. They'll be allowing the public in before the end of the summer. All right, take care everybody. Bye.
Hi 10, it's Mrs Hay here. Just a quick message to say how proud I am of how you have handled this situation and how amazing it has been to see some absolutely phenomenal work over this time. I have got some pieces of work that I will be keeping as inspiration for others in years to come. I'm so excited to see you all in September. Keep safe and well. Bye.
Hello Year 10. This lockdown has seen us face many different challenges. However, it can change and it can get better. I just want to say a massive well done to all those in year 10, in particular those in the OCR sport group, those who have attempted their work, those who have got it done to a very good standard. You guys will be in a much better position when you return in September at the beginning of year 11. Until then, take care and stay safe.
Right, that's it then, year 10. Next time we see you, we'll be calling you all year 11. We do want to wish you a safe and enjoyable summer. Whatever you're doing, just make sure you keep safe, you look after yourselves and your families are all looking after each other as well. Maybe go out and do something in the community if you can. Enjoy the nice weather that's hopefully coming, and we'll look forward to seeing you all back in school in September. All that's left for us to say now is school's out for summer.
Mine is stuck. I got to there.
We'll see you soon.